In our previous lessons, we learned about standard deviations, population means, z-scores, and so much more. In this lesson, we will learn how accurate or reliable this data is by using confidence intervals. During the federal election in 2019, 34% of Canadians voted for the Conservative Party, and 33% of Canadians voted for the Liberal Party. But what does this really mean? We know that not every Canadian votes in the election for various reasons, such as age or other circumstances. Clearly, these results are taken from a sample of the population. Similarly, statisticians often take a smaller, random sample of the population to represent data, since it is nearly impossible to take data from the entire population. When considering a random sample from the population, we must include how accurate these results are. For example, before voting, 57% of Canadians said they will vote for the Liberal Party in the next election. These results are accurate with plus or minus 5.6% 19 times out of 20. But what does this mean? Let's first look at the 19 times out of 20. Well, 19 divided by 20 is 0.95, or 95%. So when they say these results are accurate 19 times out of 20, it means they are 95% confident about these results. This is called the confidence level. Now, what are these results that they are 95% confident in? They're confident that 57% of Canadians, plus or minus 5.6%, voted for the Liberal Party. Now, this plus or minus 5.6% gives us a range of certainty. So the results could be a bit lower or a bit higher than 57%. On the lower side, we have 57% minus 5.6% to give us 51.4%. And on the upper side, we have 57% plus 5.6% to give us 62.6%. So we have a range from 51.4% to 62.6%. And this is called the margin of error. Overall, we are 95% confident that 57%, plus or minus 5.6%, of Canadians will vote for the Liberal Party in the next election. This is called the confidence interval and tells the public how confident we are in the results.